Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing this micro USB cable that can be found for $1 in Dollar Tree. This is the box, very simple. And this is the blue cable, but you can also get it in orange and red. So I will be unboxing the blue cable, and later I will be unboxing the orange, and later I will unbox the red cable. So I'll get started. All of the cable can be found at $1 at Dollar Tree. This is the cable, the micro USB cable. So now I'm going to unbox the orange cable. Here it is, the orange cable. And now I will unbox the red cable. And here it is, the red cable. These are the open boxes and the blue, the orange and red cable. So now I have to take off this little plastic thing that wraps the cable. Okay, and here we have the entire cable. Okay, so this concludes the unboxing. I'm going to test it, so I'm going to plug it onto my computer. And the other end I connect it to my cell phone right here. So I plug it in. It got stuck. Sometimes it freezes, but anyway. Oh, it is freeze. So anyway, okay, there it is. I'm going to connect it. Sorry, I'm using one hand, but the other hand I have the camera, so I can use both. I plug it in. And there it is. It is charging. Yay! The cable works. Well, this concludes the unboxing video for the blue, orange and red cable that can be found at $1 in Dollar Tree. Thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!